Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Go with that. Oh,
So I can see her Christian.
oh, die schattig.
Had je?
Oh, gezondheid.
Hou die maar op.
Wordt niet van mooi weer. Wacht eens.
Trying to win coalition support in the Senate, he's capitulated to the opposition leader on the latest staff update and a bigger target. A low target of 5% pollution cuts by 2020 will be raised to 25%.